Hi friends and subscribers. First of all, thanks for supporting my YouTube channel in both English and Tamil. And now I have took another small step in launching a cooking course in a platform called Udemy by the name of 6 basic Indian gravies for 1000 plus gravies. This 6 basic gravies is actually the core for any Indian kitchen to run the operation smoothly without any hiccups, no matter what the size of the operation is. Just by understanding the basic formula of this Indian gravies through this course, anyone can able to make thousands and thousands of curry recipes just by your own creativity in both vegetarian and non-vegetarian. This course would be helpful for any person who are interested in Indian cooking and for the budding chefs and also for entrepreneurs who wants to open up an Indian kitchen. This course comes along with the step-by-step cooking process of this Indian gravy and also its storage method with a clear explanation, and also it comes along with the PDF of its recipe. So please do check out this course in Udemy if you are interested in Indian cooking, and also please refer to your friends who are interested to open up an Indian outlet. It will be very beneficial for any person who purchase this course. In order to promote this course, I have a small offer. Down this video, I have shared the link of this course as well as the coupon code. By using that coupon code, you can able to access this course freely, but it's only for the first 10 registrations and for the first month. So please do get rush out and register this course. Thank you.